Hello friends, this is Bindu Kumar here. Let's solve this question together. Which of the following are arithmetic progressions? If they form an arithmetic progression, find the common difference d and write 3 more terms. So what we have to do is we have to look at the list of numbers, identify if they are an arithmetic progression. If we see that yes, it is an arithmetic progression, then we have to write down what is the common difference d, and we also have to calculate the next 3 terms. So let's look at the list of numbers that we have here. We have 1 square, 5 square, 7 square and 73. Let's begin by writing these question as is. 1 square, 5 square, 7 square and 73. So these are of the form A or A of 1, A of 2, A of 3 and A of 4. So the first step is to identify if they form an arithmetic progression. So for that, we will write the formula. So given a set of numbers A1, A2, A3 and A4, they form an arithmetic progression if they are of the form A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D and so on, where D is the common difference and it can be calculated as A of n plus 1 minus A of n. In other words, D equal to A4 minus A3, which is also equivalent to A3 minus A2. Let's apply this formula for the question that we have here. So I'll say D equal to A of 4 minus A of 3. So the value of A4 is 73 minus the value of A3 is 7 square, which equals 73 minus 49, which equals 73 minus 49. So we will do the subtraction here. We have 13 here. So we get 4 as the balance. This is 6. So 6 minus 4 will be 2 and it is plus 24. So the difference is 24. Now let's also calculate the difference between A3 minus A2. We are doing this to make sure that we get the same common difference between these different terms. The value of A3 is 7 square minus the value of A2 is 5 square, which equals 49 minus 25. So subtracting this, we get 4 and we get 2, which is plus 24. So here you can see that we got the same result, right? We got the same common difference. So with this, we can say that yes, this list of numbers given form an arithmetic progression. Now we can move on to the second part of the question, which is to find out 3 more terms. As you can see, we already have the first 4 terms here. Now we have to find out A5, A6 and A7. So how do we find out A5? What is the formula for this? So you can look at the example that we wrote here. For A3, the formula was A plus 2D. For A4, the formula was A plus 3D. Similarly, for A5, the formula will be A plus 4D, which equals A. Now the value of A is the same as A1. So we have the value of A1 as 1 square plus 4 into value of D. D we have identified as 24, which equals 1 plus, now we have to calculate 4 into 24. So I will use the rough space here to calculate that. We have 24 into 4. We have 4 into 4, which is 16, and 4 into 2, which is 8. 8 plus the carryover 1, which is 9. So we have the value 96. So the value of A5 is 97. So let's write that down here as 97. Now let's calculate A of 6 similarly. A of 6 equals A plus 5D. A is 1 square plus 5 into 24, which equals 1 plus, let's calculate 24 into 5. 5 into 4 we have 20, and 5 into 2 10, plus 2 which is 12. So that makes 120. Oops, sorry for the wrong ink. It is 120. So the final answer for A6 is 121. Now let's write this down here, 121. Now similarly we will calculate A of 7 as well. A of 7 equal to A plus 6D. The value of A is 1 square plus 6 into 24, which equals 1 plus, let's calculate 6 into 24. We have 6 into 4, which is 24, and we have 6 into 12, 6 into 2, which is 12. 12 plus 2, we have 14. So the answer is 144. So the final value of A7 is 145. Let's write that down as well. Okay. So now we have got all the answers that we needed. So with this, we can say that yes, this list of numbers do form an arithmetic progression where the common difference D is 24, and the value of the three more terms are 97, 121, and 145. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you find it useful. Remember to like, subscribe, and click on the bell button to get notified of new videos.